Hi guys, Ashley here. I work for SkinSolutions.MD and today we are going to be unboxing the latest and greatest prescription eye drop that we just started carrying and is all the rage on TikTok, Upneeq. So the box that you have will be a little bit bigger than this. You are going to receive a 45-day supply with your order. When you open your box, you will see these cute little pink foil packets. There is one application for every single packet. Upneeq is amazing. It is for acquired ptosis, which is the medical term for low-lying lids or heavy droopy eyelids. Even for people that don't have acquired ptosis, it is great. It makes your eyes feel awake, bigger, bolder, brighter. You can see more whites of the eyes, although it is not for eye whitening. It does make the eyes look bigger and more white because you can see more whites of the eyes. So let's open one of these little foil packets and see what's inside. So once you cut off the end of the film, you will pull out one single vial. There is enough in here for 1 drop for each eye, which is the recommended dose. However, if you are not great at putting eye drops in, no fear, because if you blink and happen to miss an eye, there is just enough solution to try again for that eye. So let's go ahead and open it up and do our application. All right, here we go. And just like that, we have applied our Upneeq. I kept my head tilted back for 15 seconds, rolled my eyes around, so it should have no problem bonding to that upper lid. Most patients see results in 5 to 15 minutes. However, you should see full results by the 2-hour mark. It lasts up to 8 hours, so perfect for your morning routine before you head into the office or go out for the day. It's also great for a night out if you just want to have a bigger, bolder, brighter eye. You can use it with Latisse. We have thousands of Latisse patients. Just make sure that you're not using it right back to back. Latisse is supposed to be part of your nighttime routine when you have no makeup on and right before you go to bed. Upneeq works best in the morning, right before you go out for your day. If you are pregnant or expecting to be pregnant or nursing, it's always important to consider talking to your OBGYN before trying any new product or prescription, just to be safe. And if you use any other eye medication or eye drops, make sure that you wait at least 15 minutes in between applying your Upneeq and that other medication, and you should be good to go. If you have any questions, we are here for you. We are so excited to be carrying this brand new product. You will have bigger, bolder, brighter eyes with Upneeq.